Have you ever felt like there's something much greater than us? A powerful force guiding the universe. Some call it God, some call it Source, others simply call it universal energy. And here's the secret. This energy is not far away. It's not hidden in temples or mountains. It flows through you, within you, and around you, right now. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to connect to this universal energy and unlock the flow of peace, intuition, and power in your life. First, let's understand what universal energy is. Every culture, from ancient India to Egypt to native tribes, has spoken about this life force. In India, it's called prana. In China, it's chi or chi. In Japan, it's ki. In the West, it's often called the divine force or spirit. This energy is everywhere. In the air you breathe, the food you eat, the light from the sun, even in your thoughts. Think of it like Wi-Fi. You can't see it, but when you connect, it powers your whole system. The first step to connect is simple. Quiet the noise inside you. We live in a world full of distraction. Social media, stress, constant overthinking. But universal energy speaks in whispers, not shouts. Try this. Sit in a calm place. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Hold and slowly release. Do this 3 times. Feel how your body shifts into calmness. In silence, you begin to sense the energy already flowing around you. Your breath is the bridge to universal energy. Every inhale is not just oxygen, it's life force. Imagine you're breathing in golden light, filling every cell with energy. And when you exhale, release stress, fear, and negativity. This simple practice charges your body like a battery. Over time, you'll notice you feel lighter, calmer, and more in tune with the flow of life. Universal energy flows strongest in nature. When you stand barefoot on the earth, walk in the forest, or sit by the ocean, you're not just relaxing, you're literally plugging into the universe's power grid. Try this. Place your feet on the grass or soil. Close your eyes and feel the energy rising from the earth into your body. This grounding reconnects you instantly. That's why ancient sages meditated under trees or on mountains. They knew nature is the purest source of energy. Energy is vibration. To connect with higher universal energy, you must raise your own vibration. How? Through love, gratitude, and kindness. Start your day by thanking the universe for something simple: your breath, your home, your loved ones. Speak kindly, act with compassion. Listen to uplifting music, practice yoga, or meditate. Remember, low vibrations like anger or fear block universal energy. High vibrations like love and joy attract it. When you choose positivity, the universe responds with even more. When you are connected, the universe speaks to you, not through words, but through intuition. So how do you connect to universal energy? Quiet the mind. Breathe deeply. Align with nature. Raise your vibration. Listen to your intuition. This isn't something you force. It's something you allow. The more you let go of fear and ego, the more universal energy flows through you, filling your life with clarity, healing, and purpose. You are not separate from the universe. You are a part of it. And when you connect, life transforms.